Okay, now my letterhead is ready. The simple letterhead is ready. If you want to present this to your client, there's a way I do present my work so that it will look appealing to my client. So we go, wow, this is great. So I'll just show you. It's not a must to do this, but if I want to show my clients some things, I just have to, and just give them their designs like that. I have to just present it in a way that they will say, this is wow, this is awesome. So let me just do the presentation, then I will end the session. You can actually do yours and send it to class. I want you to sign up for the advanced class, and also if you want to get my bumper package, it is just 2,000 naira. You will get 30 videos. I've done some videos there for use. You will actually need it. You will get 30 videos, practical for self-learning, and you will have 2 days access to send questions to me regarding any aspect that you don't understand. You can actually get that too. The bumper offer, so you can really sign up for that too. The bumper offer. So I will expect you get your copy soonest. Okay. Alright, I don't want to show you the presentation. I'm done with the letter. I don't show you how I do present my work, so it will look wow. When my client sees it, this is wow. Okay, you're doing good, doing a great job. Okay. Alright. Okay, like this something. Okay. Okay, here is it. Awesome. Alright, now this is a letterhead. Okay, this is a company letterhead. You can see. Okay, this is the business card with the letterhead. I just show you something you can do on your own. Now this is a business card, and also this is a letterhead. You can actually do this on your own too. Thank you. Please sign up for the advanced class and also get my bumper offer. Please, I would like you to send your review and your feedback to our platform on Facebook. If this class has helped you, that you have learned something in this 7 days class that we've started for some days now on designing, please, we would like to hear your feedback and review. That will help us to do more, because we want to launch the next edition of this free 5 days design, and I will like to hear your review. Please, it will help us to do more. I will send the link to the class. Please, I'm begging you, kindly join the platform and actually type your feedback. I will approve them so that the community will see what we are doing, that we are actually helping people to up their skill at Audit Media. Thank you very much. My name is Fashe Kingdom Afel. I am the brand expert and the business coach. Thank you very much, and I would like to hear your feedback soon. Bye. Thanks.